In this video, I will tell you that how to delete all emails at once on Android. So first of all, you need to open up the Gmail application on your Android phone. And if you open up the Gmail application on your Android phone, you will not see any kind of option to delete all emails and once on Android phone. So in order to do this, you need to open up the Chrome browser, and after opening up the Chrome browser here, what you will basically have to do is, first of all, you need to convert the web page to desktop website. And how you will do this, you will tap on these three dots at the top right, and here you can see desktop site. So you just need to tap on this check mark right next to it, and then you will open up gmail.com on your Android and make sure that your Gmail has been logged in. And once your Gmail is opened up, you will zoom in and you will tap on this more option and then tap on this all mail option. And once this all mail option has been selected, at the top you can see this square box. You need to check this, and once you check this, you will see this option, which is the delete option. And when you click on this delete option, all emails from your Gmails will be deleted. So guys, if you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.